good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is prudence, the silent power that shapes destiny. Ladies and gentlemen, in the restless tides of modern life, prudence stands as the unmoving axis, the quiet force that aligns thought, feeling and action with the unchanging rhythm of truth. It is more than caution. It is the rare mastery of knowing not only what can be done, but what should be done and when. Like a silent helmsman guiding a vessel through both storm and calm, prudence safeguards destiny while keeping life's voyage purposeful and steady. Modern science reveals that prudent choices arise when the brain's highest faculties, foresight, judgment, and emotional balance work in harmonious concert. This state is nurtured by stillness, alignment and coherence, which open channels to the deeper currents of cosmic intelligence. Ancient wisdom knew this long before laboratories named it. Stillness brings clarity, alignment refines vision, coherence anchors stability, and surrender to a higher order unveils paths beyond the reach of intellect alone. Across civilizations, prudence has been honored as practical wisdom. Aristotle called it the crown of virtues. Eastern philosophy revealed it as discernment born from balance. It is the strategist who waits for the tide before launching the fleet, the healer who treats the cause rather than the symptom, the artisan who shapes the wood with its grain, not against it. Without prudence, courage can harden into recklessness, kindness may drift into indulgence, and ambition can sharpen into arrogance. With prudence, virtues fall into their rightful measure, like instruments tuned to the same key in an orchestra of life. Energy is the sustaining current of this virtue. Sound physical and mental health form the foundation. Wellness fuels focus, and focus refines judgment. A mind trained to access divine cosmic intelligence perceives with deeper insight and acts with higher precision. In such alignment, prudence ceases to be an effort. It becomes a natural way of being. What's the way forward? Prudence can be cultivated through steady and conscious practice. First, daily stillness, moments to pause, breathe, and allow thought to settle into quiet clarity, reviewing experiences and learning through introspection. Second, mental coherence, knowledge and competency building practices such as meditation, rhythmic breathing, and constant learning through focused attention to unite logic with emotional stability, practicing consciousness. Third, health as foundation, nurturing the body through physical activity, sunshine, rest, balanced nutrition and nourishment, and keeping hydrated, for a strong vessel sustains a clear mind. Fourth, alignment with universal principles, ensuring choices serve both present needs and the enduring good, learning to be grounded and understanding the power of giving. Fifth, surrender to higher wisdom, seeking wisdom, compassion, and courage to act, besides allowing the universal order to reveal the right movement and method for executing the truthful and righteous action without worrying for outcome. Mastery lies in continuous training to act and perform without fear, with trust and faith in the divine guidance through alignment. With these 5 steps lived sincerely, prudence becomes instinctive, a compass that guides with quiet certainty. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the Bhagavad Gita proclaims, wherever there is Krishna, the master of yoga, and Arjuna, the supreme archer, there shall be victory, prosperity, righteousness, and everlasting peace. Prudence thrives in this union, divine guidance joined with disciplined human skill. It is the strength that moves without haste and stands without fear, the compass that points not to convenience but to truth. Lived fully, it shapes choices that time honors, choices marked by clarity, balance, and the graceful certainty of one walking in step with the eternal. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.